Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to just draw another sketch sample. This sample is a little bit more complicated than the previous samples. In this sketch we will be able to use fillets and chamfer, and we will use trim to trim the entities here. So instead of using arc here, we will use fillet. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your comments give me energy. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have my SolidWorks open. Here I click on SolidWorks, and here I click on new part. Okay. Here we have three planes. I mostly draw my sketch on the front plane, so I will tell you what's the use of the other planes. Just click on the front plane and click on a sketch. And here we always start with our origin point. Here we have a horizontal line, so I draw a horizontal line. Then we have a arc. So I told you that you can use a fillet instead of arc. So here I need to draw a vertical line. Here now I want to show you how we can use fillet. Just come here and sketch fillet, choose the sketch fillet, and you can apply your fillets. Just choose the point here, and in the fillet parameter you can apply the radius of your fillet. The radius of the fillet is 20 millimeters, so the radius is 20 millimeters, and you can see the fillet here. The fillet is applied now, so we could just draw an arc and apply the relations. If you use fillets, it's much faster. So I'm gonna just draw the lines, and I will apply the fillets at the end. So here I need to draw a vertical line. So here I have my vertical line, and then I have to draw an arc. So here I choose arc. I mostly choose the 3 points arc. So here in arc type, just choose the 3 point arc. Okay, now I choose arc, and here I choose the point here, and the center of the arc must be top side of your sketch. Okay, now I need to draw a vertical line. So here I choose the vertical line, and I draw a vertical line. So here I choose the point here, and I draw a vertical line. So you can see when I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears, and if I click, the vertical relation will be automatically applied to your line. So here I have a fillet or arc, so I need to draw a horizontal line because I'm gonna just apply the fillet here. So I draw a the horizontal line here. Okay, now I need to move my sketch a little bit. I will apply the relations and the dimensions at the end. Here I have chamfer. So I need to draw a vertical line. I draw a vertical line, and then I have a fillet. So I need to draw horizontal lines. I will apply the fillet at the end, and then I have a fillet again. So I need to draw a vertical line. Now I have to move my sketch. I need to move my sketch. Sorry, you can see the coincident relation have been automatically applied. So just click on the relation here and delete it. So delete the relation here. Now you can move your line. It is not fixed. Now you can move it. And then we have, so let's apply the dimensions. I will draw other lines later. So here I choose the smart dimension, and the line here is 50 millimeters. So I choose the line here, and it is 50 millimeters. And the dimension of this line is 20 millimeters. And I need to apply a tangent relation to this arc. So I hold the control button on my keyboard, and I choose the arc here and the line here, and I apply the tangent relation. Now it is tangent, and I have to make it tangent to this line. So it is tangent now. And the radius of the arc here is 40 millimeters. So here I choose a smart dimension, and I choose the 40 millimeter. Now the dimension of this line is 70 millimeter. It is 70 millimeter. Now I have to move my sketch a little bit. It's okay. It is 70 millimeter. And here we have another dimension. So here I have to apply a fillet. Here I choose fillet and I choose the point here. The fillet is 50 millimeter. The radius of the fillet is 50 millimeter. Okay. Now I have to, sorry, please remove the dimension here. For removing a dimension, just click on the dimension and then press the delete button on your keyboard. Or you can just right click on the dimension and just delete it, it doesn't matter. Here again choose the smart dimension and choose the line here and give it 70 millimeter dimension. It's perfect now. And the next dimension is 125 millimeter from the point here to this point. So let's move my sketch a little bit. Let me escape the tool. Now it's okay. The dimension, I choose a small dimension, I choose the point here, and here it is 125 millimeter. Now I'm gonna apply a chamfer. So here I choose the symbol here and I choose a sketch chamfer, and here choose the distance to distance. If you choose this one, you will be able to give the chamfer an angle. So choose this one, this option, distance to distance, and choose the point here. Now the dimension is 10 millimeter in vertical and 10 millimeter in horizontal, but we need 35 millimeter in vertical and 45 millimeter in horizontal. Now it's okay. Let's move my sketch. You can see you have to move your sketch to apply the dimension much better. Now the dimension is, I have to apply a fillet. So here I need a fillet. I choose fillet and I choose the point here. The point here is exactly here. Here in choose entity, again I choose it. What's the message? The fillet could not be added because the specific radius would, yes, the radius is too high. The radius must be 20. Again I choose entities to fillet and I choose the point here, and okay, it's 20 millimeter in radius. Now I have to use smart dimension. I choose the smart dimension and I give the line here dimension of 50 millimeter. It's okay now. It's perfect. It's perfect. I have, let's see. Please remove this dimension. Just click on this dimension and delete this dimension. Again, choose the smart dimension and give the line here 125. Now it's correct. The next dimension is, now we have to apply a fillet. Here we have a fillet. Here I choose fillet and I choose the point here. The fillet radius is 50 millimeter, 15 millimeter. And here we have a vertical line. So here I choose line. No, we have line here, and here I choose a smart dimension and I give it 20 millimeter dimension. It's okay. Let's move my sketch a little bit. Here is okay. And then we have a horizontal line. So here I draw a horizontal line. Then we have a fillet. So I have to draw a vertical line. Now I have to apply the fillet. Here I choose fillet and I choose the point here. The fillet radius is 50 millimeter. Okay. And the radius, and sorry, the dimension of the line here is 20 millimeter. And the dimension of the line here is 10 millimeter. It's okay, but my sketch is not still fine. You can see the line here is blue. It means that my sketch is still moving. So I keep drawing until the sketch is fixed. So here I have a horizontal line. I draw a horizontal line. Then we have a fillet here. So I draw a vertical line. The fillet radius here is 30 millimeter. So here I choose the fillet and I choose the point here. The fillet parameter in the radius must be 30 millimeter. Okay. Now I have to move my sketch a little bit. It's much better. The dimension of this line is 50 millimeter, you can see here. So here I choose a smart dimension and I give it 50 millimeter dimension of the line here, and the dimension of this line is 30 millimeter. So, and here I have to connect this line to this line. The dimension from this point to this point is 20 millimeter. Here I choose smart dimension and I choose the point here, and it is 20. Sorry, what's the problem? So here we have a problem. Let me see. It says that I can't give it dimension. So here I'm gonna find out what's the problem. Sorry about that. Here we had a problem. So the dimension here must be 20 millimeter, and here we mistakenly just applied the wrong dimension. The dimension here was 30 millimeter. Sorry about that. Here we can see 30 millimeter. If I say okay, it is a extra dimension, you can see the color of the dimension is gray. It is lighter than the other dimensions, so you can just delete it, it doesn't matter. So let's keep drawing our sketch. So here we need to draw the inside entities. So here we have a circle, so here I choose circle and I draw a circle, and the diameter of the circle is 40 millimeters. So here I choose a smart dimension and I give it 40 millimeter dimension, and the dimension of this circle is 20 meters. So I draw a circle here. The center of the circle, you can see the point here. Choose this type of circle. It means that you will begin drawing your circle with the center of it. So here just click on the center of your arc and draw a circle and give it 20 millimeter in diameter. Now let's see what we have here. So here we have a rectangle that has chamfer here. So here I draw a rectangle. Here I draw a rectangle. And then we need to draw a line here. So I draw a line. I draw line from the center of the line here to this point here. And I draw another line from here to here. Sorry, remove the relation here, the coincident relation, remove it. We are gonna apply the dimension. So here choose a smart dimension and choose the point here and give it 50 millimeter dimension, and give the dimension from this point to this point 50 millimeter. Now the dimension of from this point to this point is 10 millimeter, and the dimension from this point to this point is 10 millimeter. So it is an extra dimension. Now I have to remove the extra entities. So I choose trim entities, and I choose the line here, and I choose the line here. But my sketch is not full defined. You can see it is moving. So here we need a degree. Here I choose a smart dimension. I choose the line here and here. Sorry, again choose a smart dimension and choose the line here, and it is 150 millimeter. Sorry, 150 degree. But it is still moving. Again, we have the same dimension here. It is 150 millimeter, but it is still moving. So we need the dimension. The dimension from the line here to this line, sorry, remove the dimension. Again, choose a smart dimension and choose from the line here to this line. It is 50 millimeter. And the dimension from this point, sorry, from this point to this point is 33 millimeter. But my sketch is not still fully defined. You can see it is under defined because these two lines are blue and they are moving. You can see they are moving. So here we need a dimension. Here I need a dimension. So what's the dimension gonna be? Or we are gonna apply the relation. This line, this point, just hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the point here and the point here and give them horizontal relation. Now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Now the next one is a circle. We need to draw two circles and draw the line. So here I choose the circle and I draw a circle here. Sorry, circle here. You can see an orange point will appear. So I'll draw the circle, draw two circles. So and choose the smart dimension and give this one 100 millimeter. Here is the radius, but here we need in diameter. Sorry, the dimension here is 60 millimeter in diameter, so give it 60 millimeter. And the dimension of this circle is 24 millimeter, because this is the diameter and this is radius. And we need to draw four lines. So here I choose line and I connect this point to the point here, and I connect this point to this point, and I connect this point to this point, and here, the point here and here, and I need to trim the entities. Here I don't need this arc and I don't need this one. Now you can see here we have our shape. So here we need to trim this arc and this part of the circle. Now here we just successfully use the trim. Now we need to draw another circle here, two circles here. Just choose the circle here and draw your circle at the center of this arc here. Draw two circles and give them dimension. The dimension of this circle is 48 millimeter, the diameter. This is the radius, 24 millimeter. So here choose this arc and give it it is 30 millimeter. 30 millimeter. Now we have to draw the lines. So here I connect the point here to this point, and I connect this point to this point. And here I trim the entities. So here I trim this arc here and the arc here. Now it's perfect. And successfully we have drawn our sketch. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. It was a little bit long video. Please watch my other videos and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.